rap a little bit more aggressively.
Okay.
You know? Like, you're trying to figure it out, you know? Yeah, exactly. And then when you get the hard drive, you're like, yeah, this is it. Like, come on.
Okay.
Alright, let's get it.
You know, I think Fern and I, when we did this collab, we really thought about how can we take this music video to another level. To another level meaning, honestly, not even create a music video. We really tried to make it as movie and cinematic-esque as possible. We really created a storyline from the beginning. That's what we really wanted to do. And you can tell in these next couple of clips how Fern and I directed this scene for the guys.
No, you're gonna have the money. Okay, you're good. Just, that would be cool. Yeah, you can have the money and you can give it to him. That would be sick.
Okay. The kid's a kid. Then you guys are gonna go up to the computer, check the drive yourself, because you know what you're doing, and then be like, okay, this is good. So you're gonna be like,
So we want to thank RG for trusting us with his music project and enabling us to create a really successful music video. And not even a music video like Fabrizio said, but a movie with like cinematic scenes, and it was really cool. We had tons of fun.
Real actors over here, right? We got the codes, about to get the money, about to win a Grammy for this.
Like a next?
yeah. T. Yeah.
Hello? Yeah, I'll be there in a second. You said Benjamin? Yeah, this is Benjamin, right?
You guys walk away. Close it up.
And then check the money. So for this scene in particular, we had to use a warehouse for the hacker scene to make it look very unique and very useful for our story, and it worked perfectly. Like the van and the warehouse and the lighting just fit well with everything.
So we chose to use a red cinema camera, the Gemini 5K for this, also with some PL primes from Carl Zeiss, which are so beautiful. So for this scene, just to give context, we did a couple performances with each artist. There's 3 artists. And then we also did the storyline scenes, which involved the hacker and a transfer scene. Then we hopped outside after this transfer between the artist and the hacker. They were pretty much buying a drive, which was hacked with more crypto and bigger funds and bigger transfers to give to the buyer, which you'll see pretty soon.
Cut. All right, cool. Perfect.
Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful.
All right.
All right, so you can take a 5 now. So when producing the film, we were able to get a diner in San Diego to get some of the scenes before the music video starts that you see in the video. So for this scene at Ruffers, we in particular had to direct the girls to execute the part because we had lines for them, and Vanessa did a great job at performing these characters, and as well as Jessica and Stephanie.
Okay, guys, ready? We're gonna camera speed, start recording.
Movies right now. Movies, bro. Big movies.
Show big movies, not your regular music video.
No, con uno de los mejores aquí, el Fer, la Super Jane, Fabrizio, we got Les, Steph, Jess.
Overall, we just want to thank everybody that was involved in the film. We really appreciate everybody's hard work and effort over the 2 days that we were shooting. We really made a cool film, and you can check it out on our YouTube channel. It's called Hold Up. Thank you to RG one more time. And yeah, check out the favorite shots that we have from the actual video right here. If you're looking to get in contact with us to work on your next project, all you gotta do is go to our website down in the description and go to our Contact Us page and send us a message. We always get back to people right away, and yeah, hopefully we'll be working together soon.